Number 228. A trapezoid has a height of 15 meters and bases 22 meters and 28 meters. What is its area? So pause the video and try to answer. So we have the choices are 330, 420, 335, 375, and 616 square meters. Okay, so what is the formula for area of trapezoid? So the formula is A equals B1. So this is the first base, and then the sum of base 1 and base 2 times the height, and then divided by 2. Okay, so what are the given? So just substitute the given base 1 and base 2, that is 22 meters and 28 meters. And the height, that a trapezoid has a height of 15 meters. So this is the height. Okay, so just substitute the given. So base 1 and base 2, 22 plus 28. Okay, so we have 22 plus 28, and then height is equal to 15. So just multiply by 15 and then divide by 2. Okay, so let us add this first. 22 plus 28, that is equal to 50. So multiply by 15 and then divide by 2. So we can divide first. Divide first, so 50 divided by 2. Same answer if we multiply this and divided by 2. So easier approach is divide first. 50 divided by 2, that will be equal to 25. And then multiply 25 times 15. Okay, so just multiply manually. So multiply manually. So 25 times 15. So we have 5 times 5. We have 25. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2. So we have 12. 1 times 25. So we have 25. And then add this. Bring down 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. 1 plus 2 is 3. So therefore, the answer is 375 square meters, and that is letter D. Follow me for more content like this. Sa mga nagre-review para sa civil service exam, pwede po kayong mag-join sa aking review. Meron po tayong review para sa Math and Logic via Zoom for only 50 pesos. So ano yung mga kasama dyan sa 50 pesos? Meron tayong 10 sessions, February 10 to 19, 2025, 7 p.m. onwards. So more or less mga 2 hours po yung bawat session natin. 10 sessions po yan, 10 to 19, 7 p.m. Okay, so meron tayong GC at exclusive FB group. Meron tayong Google Forms practice test. Sessions are recorded para kapag hindi kayo naka-attend, mapapanood nyo pa. I-upload ko po yan sa exclusive FB group natin. Okay, so ang session natin, Math and Logic lang, pero but we'll share a reviewer on other subjects. So yung mga reviewer natin sa ibang subjects, i-upload ko po yan sa ating FB group. Yan po yung mga nasa Google Forms na practice test. So ito po yung mga example. Ito po yung mga example na Google Forms natin sa ibang subjects. So verbal ability, medyo marami na. May 13 na ako dyan. Numerical reasoning, Gen Info, Filipino, and then madadagdagan pa po yan. Okay, so bago mag-February 10 ay marami pa pong madadagdag dito na mga Google Forms. At meron din akong mga reviewer yung kumpleto. So meron akong at least 2 sets. Mag-a-upload ako dito ng Google Form na kumpleto. 100 plus items yon yung kumpleto. Okay, so ano pang inaantay nyo? I-DM nyo na po ako sa aking messenger, RJ Enseñado. Okay, so para malinaw po ha, ang 50 pesos po ay para sa 10 sessions na. So i-divide nyo sa 10, lumalabas 5 pesos lang per session. Okay, so PM nyo lang po ako para maka-join kayo.